Here is how you install the processor. This is the lever that holds the processor in place. You lift it up. Here's the little golden triangle and a triangle on the socket. You put your CPU on top and it slides in. Be careful with the pins not to bend any of this. So you put it on top, align it, press slightly, lower the lever. That's the CPU installation. The cooler, that's the contact surface. We usually remove this before the installation. But anyway, here is how it's gonna be located on the motherboard. I'm gonna remove this. Hold on a second. It's not supposed to be here. Okay. Fan blowing towards the rear. There are tabs on the bottom, like little hooks. Same here. So you find first one and attach this hook with this plastic like this. See, it holds it in place. Now you slightly tilt cooler to place it straight, and then you have to press the other side down until it locks like this. Locked here, and on this side the same. To remove it, same process. You press on this tab here to release one side. Like this. Then make sure this it doesn't pull the CPU with itself, so you can slide it left or right to release the CPU, otherwise it can get stuck and move up together with the cooler. Tilt it to the side and it's off. To remove the processor, lift the lever, lift the processor and close it. Done.